Staging a vacant property, from a blank slate to a home sweet home. Selling a vacant property can be a challenge. Without furniture, decor, and personal touches, it can be hard for potential buyers to visualize themselves living in the space. That's where home staging comes in. With the help of a professional home stager, you can transform your empty property into a warm and inviting home sweet home that will appeal to a wide range of buyers. Step 1. Assess the space. The first step in staging a vacant property is to assess the space. A professional home stager will take measurements and photos of each room, and then create a plan for how to best showcase the property's features.